we will explore the sounds of transmutation, understanding the healthy cells have a particular tone, and when the tone is lost, then the body's equanimity is disturbed. And so whatever is arising is an opportunity. And so rather than thinking, oh, sickness, sorrow, or confusion around, we say, oh, this is energy to be transformed. How shall we place this energy into the fire that the elixir of wisdom within all of us may be expressed? Oh, yes. Ooh, yes. Now is the time. Each moment we correct the thought as it appears. Seeing the idea of fear. What is the awakened state of that appearance of fear? It is, understanding. The courage to be the loving beings that we are. So we're looking at the world as loving parents, that we're nurturing the seeds of good cause. And so whatever is arising, we know it as an opportunity.